This is Felicia with FP Handmade, and I'm coming at you with a card share video. I made one card with a couple of new stamp and die sets that I purchased. So first up is this Sizzix Thinlit set. It has 15 dies, and it's called, I don't know, Vault Boutique. So I think this is one of the sets that Tim Holtz brought back from the vault. And I really purchased it for this one piece here, and that's what I used. So I'm going to show you that in just a second. And then I also used a new stamp set I got and die set I got from the stamp market, and this is called Spring Wreath Builder, and I really wanted it for this sentiment strip here. And then there's a coordinating die set that you can purchase to coordinating stamp set that you can purchase called BD Banners, and it just goes perfectly with this. So let me show you the card that I made. So here's the card, super simple. I used some paper from 49 and Market, and it's the Classic Lemonade collection. It's a Classic Lemonade, that's the branding strip there. And then I also used some little gems from the paper studio at Hobby Lobby. And so here's my card. I layered it with some card from my cardstock from Joanne, and I used my decal cutter to cut the paper out to layer it up. So super simple card, really easy. I popped up the sentiment with some dimensionals. So let me know what you think. Super simple card. Thanks everyone for watching, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.